think yung isa rin maganda for this year's Kasamboy Awards, we partnered with TESDA. So, para at least yung mga previous awards kasi namin is after the awards, mabigay namin yung 100,000. Hindi na namin nasusubaybayan kung paano nila nagamit yung pera and napaluguban nila ito, kung saan man nila ito nagamit. No? And yung maganda ngayon is we partnered with TESDA para mabigyan sila ng additional skill, additional training para after the awards, may magagamit rin sila kasama yung pamilya nila kung saan man sila nanggaling. Um,
Sorry. So just to clarify, yung po sa test is their choice of skills.
Choice of skills nila yan. And yung kagandahan dito is hindi lang sila, pati yung pamilya nila, family member nila, kung saan sila nakatira talaga sa probinsya.
And then moving forward, sir, you mentioned 35,000 members natin sa group natin sa Facebook.
Yes.
No? So with initiatives like this, yung Kasambuhay Awards natin, how do we foresee yung growing yung customer base natin sa Kasambahay?
Yes, I think yung plano talaga namin is palakihin pa yung Kasambahay community. So gagamitin namin platform dito is yung Palawan Pay. So makikita nyo eventually sa ating Palawan Pay is will form a community of services na applicable talaga sa ating mga kasambahay. Inuna natin yung tinatawag nating Kasambahay Insurance. So dito sa Kasambahay Insurance, hindi lang siya simpleng accident insurance. Yung Kasambahay Insurance natin is as low as 1,000 pesos, pwede na silang magkaroon ng annual physical exam. No? So, ito yung parang part na sinasabi ni Sir Carlo kanina for financial inclusion. Kasi syempre, ang most neglected aspect also for kasambahay, hindi sila nabibigyan ng benefit na magkaroon ng annual physical exam. So, as low as 1,000 pesos, pwede sila magkaroon ng annual physical exam. And then eventually, we'll also launch yung aming savings account. And then, meron din kaming Palawan Credit eventually na magiging part din of the services that we will offer to kasambahay. Kasama na rin yung mga OFW, mga domestic helpers na nagtatrabaho rin sa ibang bansa. And alam naman natin na a huge part of the Filipinos talaga ay mga OFWs, ay mga domestic helpers, lalo na sa Middle East at sa Asia.